Thanks for your interest in Coach House Accents, architectural design elements for the home exterior. This video will guide you through the installation process for our decorative garage door products. Before we begin, be sure to check the dimensions of your garage door. Most standard garage doors are compatible with Coach House Accents products, but there are exceptions. For further details on this issue, you can find a PDF document on our website called Garage Door Specifications that you can download. You will need the following tools for this procedure: a tape measure, an electric drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit, a Phillips screwdriver, masking tape, and a ladder or sturdy step stool to reach the top panel of your door at a good angle for installing the simulated window frames to the door. Your signature decor window kit includes 2 simulated windows, 12 1.5 inch screws, 12 rubber washers, and 1 full-size installation template, which also serves as our printed instruction sheet. Place the installation template on the garage door where desired. Use a tape measure to position the drawing of the window frame outline exactly where you want it, making sure it is level and square, and leaves room to properly position the second window alongside the first. Tape the template to the door, then double-check your measurements. Using the 1/8 inch drill bit, drill a pilot hole at all 6 locations indicated on the template by the crosshairs, drilling through the paper into the door panel. Then remove the paper template from the door panel. With the window frame on a flat, non-scratch surface, remove the protective film on the back side of the window's plexiglass panel. Insert the screws through the holes from the front of the frame, and press the rubber washers onto the screws from the back. Align the panel to the door, lining up the screws in the frame with the pre-drilled holes in the garage door. Tighten the screws, but be careful not to over-tighten. Standard garage door panels are made from fairly thin material, and over-tightening can pull the threads loose in the holes. Repeat these steps to install the second simulated window. Your Coach House Accents garage door hardware kit includes 2 handles and 4 hinges, plus 20 number 10 by 3/4 inch screws. Unpack these carefully to be sure you have all the components. Before you install your Coach House decorative hinges, be sure the door is closed tightly, and take care to position the hinge to clear the weather stripping at the edge of the door. Center the hinge vertically on the horizontal rail of the garage door panel, near the top or bottom of the panel. Measure the hole positions to be certain that the hinge is level. Take care to hold the hinge tightly, and drill pilot holes into the door for each of the 3 mounting holes in the hinge, using the hinge itself as a guide. Fasten the hinges to the door with the screws supplied, taking care not to over-tighten. Repeat this process for all 4 hinges. Follow these steps to install the Coach House Accents decorative handles. Depending on the width of the flat vertical rail near the center of your garage door panel, you may have room to install a pair of handles side by side, or only one centered on the door. To determine if you have room for 2 handles, the center vertical rail must be at least 7 inches wide. All Coach House Accents hardware kits come with 2 handles. Position the handle or handles vertically near the top corner of the recessed area of the door panel, as shown, for the most pleasing effect. Be sure that the handles are positioned accurately, then drill pilot holes for all 4 positions in each handle, using the handle itself as a guide. Fasten the handles with the supplied screws, taking care not to over-tighten. To clean your Coach House Accents products, wash with plenty of non-abrasive soap or detergent and water. Use your bare hand to feel and dislodge any caked-on dirt and mud. For cleaning the plexiglass panes of the simulated windows, a soft, grit-free cloth, sponge, or chamois may be used, but only as a means of carrying the water to the surface of the product. Do not use hard, rough cloths that will scratch the plexiglass. Dry with a clean, damp chamois for best results. When installed properly and cared for as recommended, your Coach House Accents garage door enhancements should outlast your garage door, without corrosion, wear, or discoloration for a lifetime. Be sure to register your product with Coach House Accents to activate your manufacturer's warranty. Should you discover a flaw in the manufacture of the product or any missing pieces in the kits you have purchased, or if you require additional information or clarification of these instructions, please contact us at 1-800-351-9776 or visit CoachHouseAccents.com.